Did you know that a single pineapple is actually a cluster of many fruits fused together? Each segment you see on the outside is an individual fruit, and together they form the delicious pineapple we all love. It's true. And the best part is, you can grow your own pineapple plant right at home from a store-bought pineapple. Imagine having a piece of the tropics right in your own backyard, or even in a pot on your balcony. It's a fun and rewarding project that anyone can try. Whether you have a green thumb or are just starting out, growing a pineapple is a simple and enjoyable experience. In this easy-to-follow guide, we'll walk you through each step of growing a pineapple plant from its top, also known as the crown. From selecting the right pineapple to preparing the crown and planting it, we've got you covered. You'll be amazed to see how a simple fruit can transform into a vibrant plant bearing delicious fruit. With a little patience and care, you'll be able to enjoy homegrown pineapples and the satisfaction of nurturing a tropical plant from start to finish. First, choose a ripe pineapple from the store. When selecting your pineapple, make sure to pick one that is fresh and ripe. The ripeness of the pineapple is crucial for the success of growing a new plant. A ripe pineapple will have a sweet aroma and vibrant green leaves. Avoid pineapples with brown or wilted leaves, as these are signs of over-ripeness or spoilage. Look for one with bright green leaves and a sweet aroma. The leaves should be firm and not easily pulled out. The base of the pineapple should also be firm and free from any soft spots or mold. A good pineapple will have a consistent golden color and a slight give when pressed gently. Now grasp the fruit firmly and twist the leafy top in a circular motion. This step is important as it separates the crown from the fruit without damaging it. Make sure to twist gently but firmly to avoid breaking the crown. It should come off easily. If it doesn't, try twisting in the opposite direction. Once the crown is removed, inspect it to ensure there are no damaged or rotten parts. A healthy crown is essential for successful planting. Next, remove any bottom leaves from the crown, exposing about an inch of the stalk. This step is crucial as it prepares the crown for planting. Removing the bottom leaves will also help the stalk to develop roots more effectively. Leave this to dry for a day or two. Drying the crown helps to prevent rotting when it is planted. Place the crown in a dry, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. This allows the end to callus over, which helps prevent rotting when planted. A calloused end is less susceptible to diseases and will promote healthier root growth. Once the end is calloused, your pineapple crown is ready for planting. Once your pineapple top is calloused, it's time to plant it. Choose a pot that's slightly larger than your pineapple top. Fill it with well-draining potting mix. Make a small hole in the center and gently insert the bottom of the crown. Water your pineapple plant thoroughly. Place the pot in a bright spot but out of direct sunlight. The crown will start to root in the coming weeks. Section 4. Caring for your pineapple plant. Pineapple plants love sunshine and warmth. Once your plant is established, find a sunny spot for it, ideally with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Water your pineapple whenever the soil feels dry to the touch. During the growing season, feed your pineapple plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks. This helps promote healthy growth and fruit development. Section 5. Harvesting your homegrown delight. Patience is key when growing a pineapple. From the moment you plant the top of a store-bought pineapple, you embark on a journey that requires dedication and care. It can take 2 to 3 years for your plant to produce a fruit. During this time, you'll witness the fascinating stages of growth, from a small rosette of leaves to a mature plant with a crown of spiky foliage. You'll know it's ready when the pineapple turns from green to yellow or orange. This color change is a clear indicator that the fruit has reached its peak ripeness and is bursting with sweetness. Once harvested, savor the sweet taste of your very own homegrown pineapple. The effort and time you've invested culminate in this moment of pure, tropical delight. Growing your own food is incredibly rewarding. It connects you to nature and gives you a sense of accomplishment that's hard to match. Nothing beats the satisfaction of enjoying something you've nurtured from start to finish. Each bite of your homegrown pineapple is a testament to your patience and care. So why not give it a try? Start your own pineapple growing adventure today and experience the joy of harvesting your homegrown delight.